Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Chrome on Mac. First, open Safari, which is your Mac's default web browser. Next, type Google Chrome, download into the search bar and press Enter. Look for the official Google Chrome website in the search results and click on it. Once on the page, you'll see a prominent button to download Chrome for your Mac. Click this button to begin the download process. After the download is complete, you'll find a file named Google Chrome, DMG in your Downloads folder. Double-click this file to open the installer window. Inside, you'll see the Google Chrome icon and your Applications folder. Simply drag the Chrome icon and drop it onto the Applications folder. This action copies Chrome to your Mac. Once copied, close the installer window and remember to eject the Google Chrome disk image from your desktop. Now that Chrome is installed, navigate to your Applications folder and double-click the Google Chrome icon to launch it. The first time you open it, your Mac might ask for confirmation, so click Open. You'll then be prompted to make Chrome your default browser, which is optional. I recommend signing in with your Google account to sync your bookmarks, passwords, and browsing history across all your devices, making your experience seamless. To make Chrome easily accessible, drag its icon from your Applications folder to your dock. This way, it's always just one click away. Don't forget to explore the Chrome Web Store for extensions that can enhance your browsing experience, from ad blockers to productivity tools. There are so many useful options. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is super important throughout your day, so grab yours today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.